Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we're going to give you here is a virtual experience of what it'd be like to come down to beautiful sunny Orange, California, come into our shop and actually pick out something in our shop to have completely restored for you. What we're going to do is going to be concentrating today on trade stimulators. Mantiques Network, here we go again with another unrestored Buckley 1937 Centipack based around the stimulation of cigarette sales. This is one of our more popular models. We sell these all the time. We get them done. It's really a great brand, great artwork on the unit itself. So again, these are all unrestored, and if you are interested in this unit to get it up on our shelf, because we are sold out for the balance of 2022 of all restoration projects. We just can't take any more. So if you want this now, we will take it down. We will give it to Jaime. Jaime will break it down. He will wash all the pieces. He will reassemble the pieces. Then he will service it. Then we will get it polished up and painted to factory color. So if you want to get in line, this might be for you.
We really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.